Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The topics are going to be discussed is visual acuity. So, what is visual acuity? Visual acuity means the capacity of eye to visualize the object having accurate, or in the simple term, defined as the capacity of eye visualize the object accurately. Or in the more analytical way, defined as the visual acuity as the capacity of eye to in this the differentiate to closely placed point as the distinct point. So, capacity of the eye differentiate or to visualize two separate points as the distinct point. So it is visual acuity. It is also reflects the resolving power of the eye and mainly the functions of the cones and the pigment secretes by the cones. And the requirements of the visual acuity is human subjects, snapshot, cloud mirroring, step. Then theory. To you understand this, we should know that importance talks minimum separable distance. What is this MSD short form? And it is the minimum distance at which the 2 points can be kept still. They can diagnose by the eye to separable point. It is a shortest distance by which 2 points can be the separate still. They can be diagnosed visualized by the eye as to in the separate point. It is also reflects the resolving power of the eye and it is the functions of the cons because cons is responsible for the bright light visions are the sharp light visions and importance for real visualizations are the cardiac visualizations are the accurate visualization object and that way visual acuity functions of the cons. And visual acuity in Liechtenstein, it is the capacity or quality of the eye to visualize the object very accurately. What is accuracy? Accuracy, it can visualize the object. Now, factors. What is the factor responsible for the visual acuity? Optical factors. They are um, they are mainly optical factors. Um, s- re- uh, Related to the various structures of the eye positions of lens and although these structures number one optical factors are the curvature of lens and then curvature of cornea lens plasticity ciliary muscles lens ligament these are the various optical factors which affect the vis- visual acuity curvature of the first of all discuss the curvature of cornea. Curvature of cornea is responsible for the focus the light on this the retina very much important. Next is the curvature of a lens. All of you know that inserts on the lens is the most affected surface on which the reflections of the light. And then, so all the coming light various distance coming from the diverging rays of light from the object onward the curvature of the lens argumentary focus on the margin power of the lens that's why curvature of the lens important factors for the responsible of the visual acuity they we should the lens plasticity how much it can flexibility of the lens then ciliary muscles lens ligament they are also responsible for the contraction or the relaxations or responsible for the making the intercurvature of lens turned they can change the curvature of the lens acudine so ciliary muscles as well as the lens ligament they are also important factors of visual acuity. Ciliary muscles and lens ligaments border of the curvature of the lens by the contraction or relaxations. Now, retinal factors. What is the retinal factor? It is the foral. On this the retina there is the structures known as the forest centers. It is the image form of the forest centers is then the image very accuracy high the object visualized is very much distinct and very clearly. Fovea center is the very much important and next important factors of factor affecting visualized acuity is the stimulate factors. So, what are the stimulus factors? The number one shape of the objects, color of the object, the distance of the object from the eye, and then the border of the shape, durations, color contrast, and this is the background size of the object. Shape of the object very much important for the visual acuity. Next point, the power of the object. All of you know white light can visualize very much greater, so depending on this the color of the object and visual actions can be of a different degree, it is also depend. And then distinct of the object from the eye. If we distinct is near the distance of the object from the eye, where near the visual acuity is more, so it is also important for the factors. And then size of the object, it is very small of the visual acuity is very problem. It is very small, the visual acuity is very problem. The size of the object big or medium size, visual acuity is small. Color contrast are the background, so if we color contrast of this the background, the object is very much high degree or contrast is savors of high contrast, then it can visualize very nice. Then the border of the shape, the border of the color object and its shape, it is also focus on the stimulus factors. Then duration at which the object will be visualized. If we visibles very fast, the accuracy is very less. The object taking much times, then the accuracy is more. So these are the various factors of mainly the three factors: optical, foveal and the retinal factors and the stimulus. Which factor affecting the very important roles in this the factor affecting visual acuity. And now we go how visual acuity is estimated, and now it is measured visual acuity on. And now the subject examination function of the eye. Central are the direct versions, distance visions with the Snell test types, near vision with the Snell type test, and this is the Ginger test type. And the जिंगर जो टेस्ट टाइप्स होता है ये बेसिकली जो है वो करीब वर्जन को के लिए यूज़ होता है, और जो है स्नेल टाइप जो है वो दूर वर्जन के लिए यूज़ होता है. Now Snell chart. Named after the Dutch ophthalmologist Johannes Lennes, who developed the chart in the 1862. Basia of Snell types in this the two distinct points can be visible as separate. Only one when they and the angle of 1 minute at the nodal point. Now Snell chart. Snell chart is the visual acuity chart which is usually used in all over the clinics. And the ETDRS chart, it is calibrated for the short distance 4 meter and long लोमर चार्ट जो होता है बेसिकली वो यूज़ होता है रिसर्च पर्पज़ के लिए. स्नेल चार्ट एंड द बेजली lower charts are the distribute from the testing distance of the 6 meter 20 feet 6 meters या फिर 20 feet भी बोल सकते हैं. 6 meter 20 feet testing distance in this the considerable as the optical infinity. 6 मीटर पर क्योंकि आप जब 6 मीटर पर कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट देख रहे हो तो उस टाइम पर आपकी एक्यूमेटेशंस जो होती है वो सीन्स टू बी रिलैक्स, इसलिए हमें एक्यूरेट जो होता है ना उसकी एक्यूटी हमें मिलती है. उसके बाद एक्यूमेटेशन जो होती है वो 6 से अगर कम होगी, अगर हम डिस्टेंस को 6 से कम कर देते हैं तो हमारी जो एक्यूमेटेशंस जो होती है ना वो एक्टिव हो जाता है, और जो एक्यूटी जो होती है वो हमें क्या होती है उसका इन्फ्लुएंस्ड होती है. और अगर हम 6 मीटर से ज़्यादा डिस्टेंस रखते हैं तो वो क्या होता है कि वो लीड करता है कि पुअर एलिजिबिलिटी हो, यानी नॉर्मल पर्सन भी जो है वो उसको रीड नहीं कर सकता वर्ड को अगर हम डिस्टेंस 6 से ज़्यादा रखते हैं. अगर डिस्टेंस को 6 से कम रखते हैं तो हमारा क्या होता है कि जो हमारे पास एक्यूमेंटेशन जो होती है वो एक्टिव हो जाती है हमारे पास. उसके बाद हमारे पास जो विजुअल एक्यूटी चार्ट होता है वो प्रॉपरली गुड लाइट के अंदर होना चाहिए, क्लीन चार्ट हो. अगर चार्ट का एलिमिनेशंस प्रॉपर है लेकिन चार्ट क्लीन नहीं है तो डस्ट है उस पर, तो वो भी क्या होगा हमारे पास एक्यूरेसी होगा. विजुअल एक्यूटी की वो इसमें इंटरफेयर करेगी जो उसके ऊपर डस्ट मौजूद है, इसलिए कहते हैं कि चार्ट जो है वो प्रॉपरली गुड लाइट के अंदर होना चाहिए, चार्ट एलिमिनेशंस पावर होनी चाहिए और चार्ट के ऊपर कोई डस्ट नहीं होनी चाहिए. अगर ऐसा होगा तो रिज़ल्ट के अंदर एक्यूरेट जो है वो हमें रिज़ल्ट नहीं मिलेगा कि उस पर डस्ट हो और वो प्रॉपर लाइट में ना हो। चार्ट पेशेंट की डिस्टेंस एक करेक्ट डिस्टेंस पे पेशेंट को बिठाना चाहिए। जो आप चार्ट यूज़ कर रहे हैं उसका जितना प्रॉपर डिस्टेंस डिज़ाइन किया गया है उस हिसाब से आप पेशेंट को बिठाएं। पेशेंट इज सेलेक्टेड एट अ करेक्ट डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम द चार्ट कवरिंग ऑफ द वन आई ऑफ द monocular visual acuity and covering of the both eye from dicular visual acuity. Capacity of the eye, the visual acuity to closely placed as two distance point. Important we shown that maximum separable distance, the maximum separable distance at which two points can be separated, still the diagnosed or the visualized with the eye. And now the formula regard to the visual acuity. Suppose the subject around to sit visualize the Snellen chart to at least distance of the 6 meter. It is the conventionally almost. अच्छा जी, इसमें विजुअल एक्यूटी का फार्मूला है डी स्मॉल डी डिवाइडेड बाय small letter में d divided by greater d, and where is the visual acuity small d distance between chart and subject and greater d distance from the subject should rate the letters, and visual acuity is each eye is 6 by 6 meter. And then read visually up to down and tell him the small letters he can visualize correctly from up to down. Maximum size letter to maximum size letter greatly, so 60 to gradually low down number he can read a letters of this size number is the maintain A18 which read normally healthy subject distance of the 18 meter normally, but he recording the letters of the visualization, and this all about he cannot visualize the latter person visual acuity minimum is this correct can the visualize up to in the letter A16 this letter visualize then have the maximum visual acuity according to this chart, but those percent are patient defected error patient. How to visualize the letter also accuracy we can decrease the distance. How much settings we can make the distance of 1 meter if we can I am not visualize later then the distance patient to Snell chart will can decrease.